Okay, we have driven 4,000 kilometers, and EV living or driving is always what you expect. We had some nice road trips and some fun and some oopses. But hang on, have a look at that, and at the end, I'll give you a summary of our general idea of EV car living. Okay, so firstly, here's the reason why we had to purchase new cars. um, Bad overheating of a previous car. Okay, then we got our new car, so some happy moments coming up. Having some fun in our new car. Little one and wife in on the action, out of the sunroof. One of the first days we had the car. Okay, so of course we had to charge. We didn't have a charge at home yet, so we took it to the shops for some free charging already. It was in Canal Walk. There was already a car charging. It was actually almost finished charging, but it still dripped and drapped. But fortunately, there was a second charge available, and we charged. And with that came, we didn't know how slow it was. So yes, initially we knew how slow it was. Later on, we realized that it was slow charging, not fast charging. Then came our road trips. Okay, so we're in Laingsburg, getting ready to go to Beaufort West. 85% charged, 300 kilometers range, but only 200 to Beaufort West. But it's new ground. The charger Laingsburg unfortunately was not a 60 kilowatt or a 30 kilowatt. It ended up being a 20 kilowatt, so a little bit longer this morning. But yes, nice, beautiful overstaying in Laingsburg. Okay, some fun moments also on the way. The little one as well, having a lot of fun. This was at Bloemfontein, the casino. What a nice stop. Great playing area. It's a spur. So you can get yourself a meal, you can get some drinks, you can get ice cream, whatever they offer. You can probably also even go and walk around a little bit in the casino. But that was quite a very, very nice stop. Okay, so with of course that would come some oopsies as well. Probably the biggest oops being pushing the limits on the EV, hoping it's going to last longer than it did. Okay, so this is what happens if you have a breakdown. Well, not a breakdown. Well, the one service point didn't work. We couldn't get our car loaded, so I had to drive 8 kilometers on and run out of fuel. So now we're stuck getting tow truck to tow us for 2 kilometers. So that's the reality. Okay, back home we also had some lighter moments. Some calm off the store, going to charge at Sanlam. Charging in Beaufort West. Doing some couple of road trips in between, of course. Yeah, we had Fred and List, the little one, having a lot of fun on the grass, and also a very nice playing area. Very, very nice play area on Fred and List. But even then, sometimes you still have some issues. Here we had an issue that we got stuck. So on the AV charge, AC charge seems to happen when your sequence is not right or the signal is not coming through properly. Okay, not a disaster, but these things do happen and you need to fix them. But of course, still having some fun in between as well. Nothing will stop the little one from having fun, even though we were stuck for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so that was a highlight package. As you can see, the most important thing probably in EV world is to know how to charge. So that's something we came out purchasing the vehicle. We weren't really expecting what was expected of us. We had to figure it out on our own. So it was quite a big learning curve. And even if you've learned or you think you've learned everything after 4,000 kilometers, you still have issues coming up. Okay, so that was the first thing. The second thing will then be that you have to be very patient on the long road. So if you're not patient, if you don't have the time for the long road, rather get a plug-in hybrid. So that's also amazing vehicles. Get a plug-in hybrid, and for round time, get the EV. I hope you enjoyed this. And then lastly, of course, the cost. Most people want to know the cost. The cost was only 3,500 Rand for 4,000 kilometers. That's amazing. And we'll go even down more, because in the long run, we're not going to charge DC on the long road, really. We're going to charge free at home, free lifestyle charging, free DC even at Sanlam, so the cost will come down even more. I hope you enjoyed this. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more content to come your way, and leave a lot of comments.